All right, hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So today I've got a new burgundy wig just in time for the holidays. It's super cute from Nadula hair. So if you're interested in this look, don't go anywhere, just keep on watching. All right, you guys, so I thought I would switch it up and just give you guys a colored headband wig. I know you've seen 50 million of them, but I was like, you know what? I think this red will be super cute for Christmas, the holidays, all that kind of stuff. So during the holidays, we are always pressed for time. I did not do a wash day. It's been quite a while since I've washed my hair, and it ain't gonna happen today. So I'm just throwing my hair back underneath this wig cap, and I'm using my Arcani edge control. Someone told me in the comments, I can't remember who it is, to really rub this in. If you guys seen it, they have like the rub challenge and your edges aren't supposed to move. And I was a little skeptical. It's not really been holding for me, but today I was like, you know what? I'm gonna give it another go. It's actually not bad. I would definitely repurchase this edge control again, but I just wanted them to really stay in place, and I don't have time to scarf them down, so to lay them down for 10-15 minutes. So I really wanted them to stay in place, and it did a really good job. So really working the product in made a huge difference for me. So like I said, I don't have time to really lay them down with a scarf, so I'm just using my wig cap to hold them in place so they don't try and revert, because my hair reverts like at a drop of a dime, y'all. So the unit I'm showing you guys today is from Nadula Hair. This is their 99J burgundy wig, and I believe this is the dark version. But I will put everything down in the description box just in case you are in love with this color like I am. It does have black roots, and then it goes into the red. And it does come with 2 combs, which I found pretty interesting. And I actually like this way the cap was set up. It wasn't really pulling on my hair. I don't really like using combs, so just using this one big comb right at the top, which I'm just pushing it in right now, and then I'm just gonna secure the back comb. That's all you needed, and I found it very comfortable. And now I'm just securing the Velcro in the back, and that's all you do. Like, headband wigs are the easiest thing, y'all, and it felt really secure as well. So moving on, I'm just gonna lay my edges really quickly, y'all, just using my favorite legume jam. I'm actually gonna do it very I'm not going crazy with my edges today. I'm just gonna keep them very light, very minimal. So just showing you guys this look without all the extra edge designs and swoops and all that kind of stuff. So just an FYI, everything that you see in this video, from my edge controls to the brush that I'm using, well, not this particular brush because I got it from the beauty supply store, but the edge brushes that I used, and of course this unit from Nadula Hair, will be linked in the description box, so make sure you check it down below. All right, y'all, so I'm just going to run my flat iron through this hair really quickly and show you guys just a few simple styles that you can wear in a different headband look. So this is the hair. It's super silky, super straight. If you are familiar with that kind of hair, it's really got no real kinky, any kind of texture to it. So just keep that in mind. It's also going to be super easy to just throw on and go, because you won't have to put any effort into it. You really didn't have to flat iron it. I just wanted to get the crease out from it being in the box. So this is really a throw on, go, and you are good for the day or your errands or whatever you got to do. So just flat ironing really quickly. I also want to say that this wig cap, the size of this particular wig, was really comfortable for me, and I do have a large head, so if you have a bigger head, this should be comfortable for you as well. So depending on what you're doing, you could just wear the wig just like like this, the black as your headband, or you can pop something else on over it to kind of spice it up a little bit. They sent me this headband along with a couple others that were super cute. Y'all, I really love this color and I really love this look. It was so easy and so fast, but I decided to go ahead and add some curls to it. The hair curled pretty easily, and also this unit wasn't the absolute thickest as in density. I'm not 100% sure of the density of it, but I would say it's in between 150 and 180 if I had to guess, but that was to be as like expected when it comes to a straight headband wig like this. So I just put a few little curls, add a little bit something into this unit, you guys. I do want to say I think this would be really great if you've been wanting to try some color, but you're like, I'm not gonna do a lace front, I'm not gonna do all that, because I think when it comes to color and lace fronts and, you know, baby hairs and all that kind of stuff, it does get a little bit more technical. So this is a really good option for you. So I just wanted to throw it up in a high ponytail, which I loved, and I think is the cutest little style, especially with this burgundy. Also, don't forget to check the description box for any coupon codes. Y'all can't tell me nothing. I just felt so cute with this. I was like, I need somewhere to go. Ain't got nowhere to go, y'all. Anyways, I hope you guys had a happy Thanksgiving, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, put them down below. I will do my best to answer you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.